Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another video. And in this video, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step approach on how you can take a $50 account to a $1,000 account. It is going to be a very conservative approach. The plan I'll be using, the time frames, the section, everything you need to know and many more. I'll be revealing everything to you on this video. Let's go, follow me to the chart. Welcome back. We will be looking at a 100-day game plan. We will be using a compound-based conservative approach. Also, I'll be sharing and showing you an aggressive approach to this. When trading a $50 account, you must be disciplined, knowing fully well that this is a small account, it is a baby account, so you don't mount pressure on it. There are 7 rules you must follow to successfully get to 1,000 within 100 days or less. Let's get to it. As you can see on my charts, I have these 7 rules. These are the 7 things I'll be focusing on. So my daily target will be from 10 pips up to 200 pips. Mind you, with this game plan I'm about to reveal to you now, you can use it to grow any account, both live accounts. If you are in a drawdown in your profile account, if you are in a drawdown in your live account, you can use this game plan, and I'll show you that you are going to come up top. Okay, now one on my list that you'll be focus on higher time frame setup. When you are in a drawdown, your best bet, you want to be looking at the higher time frames to trade up from, because the manipulation on the higher time frames are less, unlike the lower time frames. So you want to be focusing on 1 hour, 4 hour and the daily time frames. Now another thing on this rule is that focus on trading few pairs. 1 to 3 pair is enough. Focus on the pairs. Why am I taking 1 to 3 pairs? Because sometimes if you are focusing on only 1 pair, it might force you to overtrade, and you might keep forcing opportunities where there is none. So focusing on 1 to 3 pairs and trade only the major pairs. At this point in time, you remember you are gradually growing an account. You don't want to be everywhere, so the major pairs I will highly recommend. Use a low size of 1 to 0.20 at any particular position. So in this type of account, you have to lower your loss size. This is a $50 account, not a Lamborghini account. So don't put a Lamborghini loss size on a $50 account. So while starting, 0.01 is a good loss size to start with. Trade only New York section. Why will you trade only New York section? Because New York section is the most volatile. So your setup or your strategy is likely going to work more during the New York section compared to other section. I'm not saying other sections don't work though, but I'm saying it will best work on New York section. Don't trade more than 1 to 2 trade a day. The day you find your opportunity, don't trade more than 1 to 2 trade in a section in that day. Call it a quid, it's okay. Now we will be aiming at 1:1 risk to reward to 1:5 risk to reward. So 1:1 risk to reward. So when you are risking $1, you are expected to win $2 when the market goes in your favor. Vice versa. So 1:1 risk to reward is minimum. You can get 1:10 too. So but I strong my strategy gives me 1:5, unless if I want to leave the trade to run. Let's go into the conservative approach. Now the key assumption, what are the 1, the capital is $50 and the target is $1,000, and the time frame for this is 100 days. When trading, this kind of account, you must have a marathon mindset, a long time mindset. This is not the account that will make you rich overnight. No, this is the account you want to go. You want to use this account to test your passion, your discipline, and all that stuff. So your risk management is 1:2 per capita. So you will be using a leverage of 1:50 or 1:100. I think this leverage is very okay, so that you not blow the account faster. So important things to take note of: lot size. The lot size in this table are given in micro, so I'll be showing you the lot sizes is on a micro level, 0.1 up to 0.20. How to gradually increase your lot size while trading this account. So your risk management is crucial to adhere to risk management rules, such not risking more than 1 to 2% of your account on any single trade. Like I said earlier on, 1:2 is best on this kind of account. So you are risking $1 to make $2. At most 1:3, 1:4, 5. It all depends on how you want to take it. Now, the market condition: always adapt to market conditions and avoid over trading. That's the more reason why I'm taking 3 pairs, or advising you to take 3 pairs, because all the 3 pairs might not give you opportunity the same day. They will give you opportunity different days. Okay, they are going to provide opportunity for you in different days. So, but if you are trading 1 pair, you are likely going to over trade and over leverage the account, and it will result to blowing it. So discipline: stick to the plan and avoid emotional trading. Now, this is a conservative approach. So our starting capital is $50. So our daily target will be 1.50. If you are risking 1:2, and if your trade hits TP, you must have made more than 1:50. So you have made $2. So that's why I recommend 1:2 to 1:5. So this is the daily target, 1.50. So at the end of the day, the daily balance will be 51.50. So at the end of the week, you'll be having 656.28 ending balance. So in this type of challenge, you will not judge yourself based on the daily target, okay? Because you, as a trader, it's not advisable to trade every day, but judge yourself based on weekly outcome, not on the daily outcome. Maybe in a week you might find only 2 or 3 good opportunities, and those 2 or 3 trade week hit your weekly target. Okay, so you must not trade every day to follow this plan. So you just judge yourself based on weekly. So when you go and week 1, week 2, you see on week 2 you must have grew the account over 10%, and you'll be on 67.21. Likewise, going on further, as you are in week 3, that's when I expected you to start increasing your lot size, because from week 3 you have around 67.21 balance. So you risking 1:2 when you hit your S, or even though you have 1:1 trade, okay, you will be making good profit. Like your profit for the day should be able to cover your daily target. So at this maybe week 3, you start upping the lot size, but not over trading, you get. So this is how we will be taking it from 1 up to the 100. So let's go into the aggressive way of trading this account. So this is the conservative approach I'm using. So let me show you the aggressive approach too you can use. Now, in the aggressive approach, you will start start the account with $50 and your daily target will be 2.35. So at the end of the week, you'll be ending the week with 11.75 balance. Okay, and your loss will be 0.01. So it depends how you want to see it. I'm a conservative trader, so I will not really be focusing on the aggressive side of things, but sometimes you have good opportunity, good trade that will give you much more profit than this. So as early as week 2, you're already on 10 plus profit. So the after the week 1, the week 2, your weekly target will be 13.91, still maintaining 0.01 loss size. Not up to week 1. With week 3, you'll be making 15.93. That's when you start upping your loss size to 0.02. So from there on, you keep working it. When or not until the week 5 or 6 thereabout, this week 4, this week 5, that's when you start using 0.03. that you must have spent a month or so on this account, and that's only then, and only then you'll be making 19.29 at the end of the week. You get? So with these loss sizes, they are very conservative, and if you can stick to the rules, this plan is very achievable. Please don't, if you have made it far to this point, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Moving forward, what are we looking at again here? So as when before you reach week 20, week 7, you'll be making $21 a week. So as time goes on, there'll be a week whereby you start making $100 a week. Get? Even this plan, you won't even make $100 a week and you achieve the goal. So yes, you will even make up to $100 a week, but you achieve the goal with proper risk management and not over trading. So this is the aggressive approach of trading from $50 to $1,000 in 100 days. It's not, you can achieve this in less days or even in more. It all depends on the market condition and how your system plays out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I will see you on the next one. Thank you and cheers.